Hello, I'm John Moore with the National Weather Service in Jackson, Mississippi, and here's our briefing concerning Tropical Storm Sally and its impacts to the Arklamax region. This briefing was prepared at 11 a.m. Sunday, September 13th. Here's our situation overview. Tropical Storm Sally continues to approach the northern Gulf Coast where more favorable conditions for stranding exist. As it continues to approach South Louisiana, where it's expected to make landfall, is expected to strand to a hurricane, making landfall either as a strong Category 1 or weak Category 2 hurricane before tracking inland with the center of the storm moving over the Arklamax. I should note that the track has shifted further west than the last NHC track, with the model consensus even a little bit further west than the current NHC track. The more further west that the storm tracks puts more of our area on the eastern side of the center of the storm. That's the action area with a tropical system. So if it continues to track further west, more of our region will be in the action area. Threats to our region will include flooding, winds, and tornadoes. Here's a current satellite view from Tropical Storm Sally. It will continue, like I said, to track north, encountering more favorable conditions. It doesn't look that organized now, but there is a center of circulation and will continue to become more organized as it tracks north and approaches the South Louisiana coast. Strong winds are going to be possible across our region with Sally. There's currently an elevated threat area of sustained winds between 30 and 40 miles per hour in the southeastern portions of our area. We could see downed trees and power outages, and making travel difficult in this elevated shaded area or orange shaded area. In the limited threat area, we could see wind gusts between 30 and 40 miles per hour as the center of Sally tracks through our area. It's currently expected to track right up Interstate 55. When we talk about timing, the earliest reasonable time of arrival for tropical storm force wind gusts associated with Tropical Storm Sally is going to be Monday night for our region. Monday evening into Monday night for our region. But when we talk about the most likely time that we're expecting tropical storm force wind gusts, we're talking about later Monday night into Tuesday morning. So most likely we're going to expect we're going to see tropical storm force wind gusts start to pick up late Monday night in the early Tuesday morning, more than likely in the southern portions of our region. Moving on to flooding. The best chances of flooding in our region are going to be in the southeast, the Pine Belt areas along Interstate 59, all the way over to the I-55 corridor south of I-20. And in the elevated orange shaded area, we can expect 4 to 8 inches of rainfall with some isolated higher amounts possible. And we're talking about Tuesday through Thursday. In the limited or yellow shaded area, we can expect 2 to 6 inches of rainfall with some locally heavy amounts somewhere in these areas. Rivers will also respond to flooding, to heavy amounts of rainfall, and we can see rivers begin to rise as we get into Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So here's a look at the overall expected storm total rainfall from Tropical Storm Sally, which is expected to be Hurricane Sally. Our key takeaways: Tropical Storm Sally will impact our region as the center of the storm is expected to track through the Arklamax. Changes and updates to watches are forthcoming, so please continue to check back later for the latest information, especially this afternoon after our afternoon forecast package arrives. We will have another briefing and record another one of these videos tomorrow at 11 a.m. as well. Thank you.